Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig unboxing and install video. I will be installing this 28-inch blonde balayage wig from Kiss Love Hair, and y'all, it is beautiful. You get that beautiful ash highlighted, low lighted blonde without having to buy all of those products to dye the hair. So this is gorgeous. It is eating, like, you see the various colors in this wig and everything. It is just gorgeous, you guys. So Kiss Love did reach out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, but I've personally bought from Kiss Love a few times and I've loved their hair every single time. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the packaging. This wig is from Kiss Love Hair. Let's go ahead and open it together. Okay, I'm super excited. I feel like this blonde, like, look at this. I can already see out the package. This blonde is just, it's the blonde. It's the blonde we try to get when we tone our hair. This is the blonde I've been going for so long. But at first, let's look at these gifts inside of this package. So it does come with an HD wig cap. Okay. Nice. A couple of gifts. Let's see what we have here. So you have an edge brush. Here's a headband to tie the wig down with their branding on it. So this is when you're installing the wig. You can tie it down. A pair of lashes and a rat tail comb. So they give you just about everything you need. Oh, let me see. Oh, you have a little eyebrow razor. This is the type of razor I use when I cut the lace off. So I'll use this and show you all what I do with it, but you cut the excess lace off with that if you haven't seen me do it. And here is a hair clip. But let's look at this wig, because like you can see, like, look at this blonde. It has highlights, lowlights. Let's look at this. So this is 28 inches too. Ooh, okay. I'm really about to go see the Beyonce movie. I might just keep this wig on when I go see Miss Beyonce. This is my new Beyonce wig. So, okay, let me take this netting off. This is really pretty, okay. Okay, like, look at that. So it is like pre-curled. Oh my goodness, look at these curls. That is beautiful. So let's get into this color. Like, it has highlights, lowlights. Oh my goodness. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, let's actually look at this lace. Okay, let's look at this lace. Okay, so this is a 13x6 wig. So in the middle, you get a full 6 inches, and on the side, you get maybe 2 inches. But I do find with 13x6 wigs, it's easier to work with like that 2 inches. They still give you enough room in the middle so you can do a side part or middle part, whatever you want to do. This color is just absolutely beautiful, you guys. Like, okay. But we are going to go ahead and install this wig. Firstly, I'm going to cut off this excess lace in the back. This is really pretty. Like, if this wig is good, this is going to be great to just buy without having to do the whole toning process, because those dyes can get super expensive. When you're buying the toner, the developer, it can kind of add up. And then, especially if you're taking a risk if you don't know what you're doing, because sometimes it turns out great for me and sometimes it's like, it could have been better. But we are also going to add a little lace tint to this middle section. Let's add a little lace tint to make it closer to my skin tone. And I'm just gonna blow dry this so it doesn't transfer on me at all. This looks so pretty, you guys. Like, that color is everything. This is a nice blonde. I feel like everyone can wear blonde. You just have to find the blonde that works for you. I feel like this is the blonde that works for definitely most black women. This blonde is it. Oh, it looks so cute. Looks so cute. This is cute. I'm obsessed. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am obsessed. Okay, let's go ahead and install this wig and get this excess lace off. The lace itself also looks super thin. Like, this is really pretty, y'all. This is pretty, okay. Cute. So, I like to work in 3 sections, you guys. Let me kind of slick this hair back. I like to work into 3 sections, so I make a slit at each temple. Bam. Bam. I do also really like the way they made this hairline. Like, this isn't just like straight across. Like, I did not pluck this wig or anything. And of course, I did not bleach the knots at all. But like, it looks like you have like a almost widow's peak in this wig, which is really cute. I love a good widow's peak. You girls that are born with widow's peaks are so lucky. They're just so cute to me. Okay, we are going to fold this up. Scrunch it up, and I'm going to put the lace spray around my hairline where I want the wig to be. We're gonna do 3 layers, you guys. Okay, so that's layer 1. We're gonna move on to layer 2. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to the last layer, the 3rd layer, and I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. Like, you can already see how good this looks against my skin tone. I am living for this. Oh my goodness, I really do love this color. It looks amazing without all of the hard work of dyeing a wig, because it's not easy at all. So I'm going to put the hair where I would want it to lay before I actually blow dry. So this is about where I would want it to be. Right here. Look at that. Okay. And now I'm going to cut off the excess lace with this handy dandy tool I showed you all. So let's see. You don't want it to be too straight when you cut off your lace. That's why you use a razor opposed to like a pair of scissors. We're gonna touch up any spots you all see coming up a little bit, so don't worry. I see it too. I see it too, you guys. Don't worry. Oh, looks cute, looks cute, looks cute. Okay, let me fix these spots where the lace is kind of coming up. Rip, rat, rip, rat. Okay guys, it is looking so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Of course you could do a cute little side part, but I don't know. I want to see it with the middle part first. Let's try the middle part. But it is looking super cute. I love this on my skin. It's almost giving like storm a little bit, but it is blonde instead of silver. But this is really cute. Oh, this looks so like whimsical and beautiful. Like, I love it. Let me look in my mirror real quick. I want to see it. Okay, I'll bring you all with me. Let's look in the other mirror because it looks so pretty. I love the color. Like, okay, this is it in another lighting. Like, okay, looks cute, 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 cute. Okay, I'm going to hit the part with a little more concealer to make it just a little more apparent. But it is just so, so pretty, you guys. It is eating the girlies up. Very pretty. I do think I want to add like some bangs to make this part like a little shorter. Do a little curtain bang action and make it just come through and really frame my face. I love how these pieces are super bright right next to my face. Like, it looks really nice. Pretty, pretty. I love it. Very cute. I was thinking of adding baby hair, but just looking at it, I don't think it needs baby hair. It looks really pretty. So honestly, you guys, I think we are done here. I think we're done here. Let me see. It looks so cute. And then with the black shirt, the color is just hitting. Super beautiful. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, this wig is from Kiss Love Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.